Bob Butler here with Pole Life Systems to show you our primary reinforcement kit and our static reinforcement kit for installs. Basically, you would take your top insulator or piece of hardware going through the top that's in a damaged area of the wood. You would loosen that just enough to slide our 20-inch composite short slot straight up between the hardware or insulator and your pole. Come around back, tighten it up, secure that in position. Come to your back side, take our 30-inch structural reinforcement, install that right over the existing bolt pattern. We supply flat plates and recessed plates for different options. You can slide them up and down the track to keep them in position, and when you get your top bolt secure, you want your bracket about 6 inches above the bolt. Continue back around to the front. You're going to install two lower bolts, one at the bottom of the 20-inch bracket and one 8 inches below that with your 3-inch flat washers. On the back side, again, install the plates and your 2-inch flat washer coil nut, tighten it in place. Your top insulator, primary or your static, is secure. At that point, we recommend you install any type of cap you use to prevent further rot. In a pin top situation, installing your primary reinforcement kit or your static, same thing. You simply loosen the top two bolts. You take your 20-inch composite, use the long slot this time instead of the short, slide it up under between the hardware and the wood pole, tighten it back down, holds that in place. Come around to the back side of the pole, install your 30-inch right over the existing bolt pattern, and supply again the plates, recess type plate. They slide up and down on the slot, they won't spin on you. If the bolt is too short, you can flip them over, put them in the slot, and then add your coil washer nut. Back around to your front side, install two. You always want to install two lower bolts to secure the top from sliding back and forth on you. Tighten those down with your 3-inch curved washers. Come around the back, install your steel plate, your 2-inch washer, coil, and nut that you'll supply on all four. Tighten it up, and you're done. Your product's secure for life. Actually, it'll outlast the pole. If your top is damaged, we recommend you installing some kind of cap on the top to prevent further damage, just to keep the water out.
He wants you to call him when you get down.
Second hole, yeah,